OPEN stock analysis and price predictions for 5th of August, Tuesday. Am I buying or not? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. And this is from Tuesday and onwards. Now, as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of freaking experience, all documented, this is looking very juicy, and I'm a big fan because all I wanted to see was a double break to take it further up. And we are one step closer to that. We broke the first time. Second break now will be freaking criminal. It's not that it just must break, start trading above 256, 260-ish. It just must give me like a pull down and then a break above that pull down. You know what I mean? Other than that, I really will not care and not force no trades. If you don't believe me, beforehand here, I was also just looking to buy. And that turned out to be great. Because, you know, after it went to like $5 and it was like 167 at the time, so... Yes, I'm very excited and I'll keep you updated. Stay tuned. If you want free money making emails and insights, and stay tuned with Open, click the first link in the description. It's free.